This little space here before was just some blue metal that I'd thrown down on the ground while I did renos on the house and concentrated on the pool. Now, as you know, once you're doing renos and you're putting a pool in, money gets a little bit tight. I always thought I was going to pave the whole area, but I reckon I've come up with a good looking solution that's been really cost effective. So we can get two cars in here. We can get one here and one there. And I thought it was really important that you had steppers to walk on. So we've used Eurostone in two different sizes. We've got the 600 by 400s and the 400 by 400s. I ran a string line and I did lay them to it, but I laid them either side of it and made it a bit haphazard. The car can come in here on blue metal, which is one of the cheapest products you can buy at about $65 a tonne. There's 3 tonne in here, and then the paver's laid on mud. I think it looks really smart. The cars can sit on blue metal, no worries whatsoever. You can turn the car around, get out, and maybe once a month with a little garden rake, you've got to move a bit of blue metal around. But now I've got paths down both sides, and I planted a little grass called zoysia in between them, which is this. It's looking a bit dry, it's only been down for about a week, but it'll start to grow and fill in the cracks and hide the lines between the blue metal and the mulch. And I put this old planter in just to break it up so you know where the car stops. I've got a 4-wheel drive, so it's higher than that. I'm not going to hit the bull bar, but it means the paths are always open for foot traffic. And then I think the greys of the blue metal and the Eurostone go really well with the Merbau and the black of the house. It was a cheap little job. We knocked it over in a day, just me and a mate. I think it's really tidied this area up and made it very usable, but also good looking.